Hi, my name is Dinç Memes. I'm the Global Sales Leader for Schneider Electric's Industrial Digital Transformation Services team. At Schneider Electric, we have started our Smart Factory program in 2017 with 11 factories, which has now expanded to over 100 factories, out of which 7 of them have been World Economic Forum recognized lighthouse factories. In all these factories, we have implemented a detailed digital transformation program which helped us to improve significantly the productivity, reliability, sustainability, energy efficiency, and safety. Since last 3 years, what we have learned, implemented, and achieved in Smart Factory program, we are offering it as agnostic industrial digital services to industrial customers across the globe, focusing on end-to-end value identification and value realization with agnostic consulting combined with sector-specific domain know-how, aiming for customer-specific business cases with how to achieve ROI and payback by bridging the gap between digital technologies and operational improvements.